Students, welcome everyone. Welcome to our today's session that is related to class 8, chapter 15, that is Introduction to Graph. So today we will discuss our exercise, that is exercise 15.1. So here we start. Here is the very first question of our exercise. In this question, just check out the question, what the question is. This graph, it shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. Now, what is the question? Question is here, what was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m.? Okay, and we have to find it out these all questions with the help of this given diagram. So our first question is, what was the patient temperature at 1 p.m.? So just have a look to the graph. At 1 p.m. when we go here and when we go to this direction, what we find that the temperature is 36.5. So here we got that at 1 p.m. temperature is 36.5. Okay, yes. Now our second question. When was the patient's temperature 38.5? So just have a look here, 38.5. So when we go to this direction, we find a dot here, and when we go to downward direction, what we find that the temperature was 38.5 degree when at 12 noon. Yes, our third question. The patient temperature was same 2 times during the period given. What was these 2 times? So just have a look here. We are finding these two are the same. Okay. So when they two are the same at 1 p.m. and at 2 p.m. So our correct answer is the patient temperature was same at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Okay. Yes. Our part D. D is what was the temperature at 1:30? How did you arrive to your answer? So at word 30, just between 1 and 2, here it is 1:30. When we go to the upward direction, we will find this line join here. Then we go to the y-axis. What we find? 36.5. So the temperature is 36.5. How we got our answer? That well, first of all we go to the x-axis, we will find 1:30 between 1 and 2. Then we go to the upward direction where we find the intersection of line. Then we see the y-axis where it point meet, and there we got the answer that it is between 36 and 37. So our result is 36.5. Okay, here is our fifth part. During which period did the patient temperature show an upward trend? Okay, just see, when it is going to the upward direction, then it is going to the downward, then upward. So when it is showing the upward direction from this time period from 9 to 11, it is showing the upward trend, and between 2 and 3 also it is showing the upward trend. Okay, so it is our first question. Just see now our question number second. Yes, this is our question number second. So again, a line graph is given to us, and it is showing the sales of a particular manufacturing company. Now the question is here. First question: what were the sale in 2002 and 2006? Okay, so when we see the diagram, with the help of this diagram, we can tell that in 2002, sale was 4 crore. It is 4 crore. In 2006, it is 8 crore. Yes, what were the sale in 2003? So just have a look. 2003, it is 7 crore. 2005, it is 10 crore. So easily with the help of this diagram, you can find all the answers. Just see the third part. We have to compare the difference between 2002 and 2006. So in 2002, it is 4 crore. In 2006, it is 2. So the difference is 8 minus 4, that is 4 crore. So that is the difference between 2002 and 2006. Yes, third part. In which year was the greatest difference between the sales as compared to the previous year? Now, when we are seeing the difference, we are finding that between 2004 and 5, difference is the highest. When we check it out, 10 minus 6. So the difference is 4 crore. Okay, so with the help of the given diagram, with the help of the given graph, you can easily find out the answer for whatever the question is there regarding that particular graph. Yes, our question number 3. It is our question number 3. So just see what the question is. It is regarding the experiment. Two different plants are there, plant A and plant B. Okay, then heights are given. It is measuring after each week. Yes, now the question is here. Question number first. How was the plant A after 2 weeks? So A and B. A is dotted one, B is simple one. So A after 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, A, just go to the y-axis. It is 7 centimeter. After 3 weeks, A, it is 9 centimeter. Same for B. After 2 weeks, it is same 7 centimeter. After 3 weeks, it is 10 centimeter. So with the help of diagram, when you compare both of the axes, you can easily find out your answer. Yes. How much plant A grew during third week? Okay. So during third week means from 2 to 3. Into it was 7 and 3 it is 9. Okay, so it grew 9 minus 7, that is 2 centimeter. Okay, yes. Now our next question is, how much did plant B grow from the end of the second week to the end of the third week? Okay, how much did plant B grow from the end of the second week to the end of the third week? Same question, it is 7, it is 10, so the difference is 3. Fifth part, during which week did plant A grow most? During which duration, time duration? So during the time duration, that is second week, it grew the highest distance. Yes. During which week did the plant B grow least? Plant B grow least. So just have a look. Plant B grow least during the first week. Were the two plants same height during any week? So same height, yes. It is 7 centimeter during second week. So what you have to do? You have to compare a question with the help of the given graph and you can find your answer. Yes. Now this is our question number 4. In this part, what we have to find it out again. The question is related to the forecast temperature as well as the actual temperature. Yes, now the question is here. On which days the forecast temperature is same as actual? When we compare, when we see it on Tuesday, on Friday, on Sunday, it is same. It is actual as forecast. B part, what was the maximum forecast temperature during the week? What was the maximum forecast? Just see the dotted one, maximum forecast. It is 35. Maximum forecast is 35. What was the minimum actual temperature during the week? Actual temperature. So actual means this lining one, this is the least. So it is the 15. When the actual is minimum, it is 15. On which day the actual temperature differ most from the forecast? Okay, so just see the find out the difference. Difference is most. Here it is. It is just see difference is most. Here it is 15. Here it is you say 30. Okay. Sorry. Here it is 15. Here it is 20, between 25 and 20. So here the difference is most. Okay, here the difference is most between these two. So you can easily find out with the help of the given graph that whatever your answer is. Yes, this is our fifth question. In this fifth part, what you have to draw? You have to draw linear graph. Here you have to draw linear graph. So just see how we are drawing this linear graph. We have taken years on x-axis, days on y-axis. Okay, so just see how we will do it. 2003, 4, 5 and 6. Here the days are 2003, 8. 2004 it is 10, 2005 it is 5, 2006 it is 12. So when we are joining it, we find a graph. Okay, line graph or you can say linear graph. Yes. Now second part, this second question. It is double graph. It is double graph. So on x-axis we are taking years, on y-axis we are taking man and woman. Yes, men we are representing with single line, women we are representing with dotted line. So just see here we have zigzag line we have drawn here 0 to 11. The difference is here. So we have drawn here zigzag line. So 11, 12, 13, 14. You can take it from 1, 2, 3, 4. In that case, your graph will be extended little more. So just see, just whatever the data is, we have put it here and we are drawing the different lines, one dotted and one single. So this is our question number 5. Yes, now question number 6. In our question number 6, what the question is here? A courier person cycles from a town to the neighbor urban area to deliver a parcel to a merchant. So this all the questions are here. This is our graph. Okay, yes, the question is here. What is the scale taken for the time axis? Just see the for time. It is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the distance taken? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unit. 4 unit is equals to 1 hour. Second question. How much time did a person take for travel? So it take for travel. How much time it take for travel? From 8 he started. At 11:30 he stopped. So he take the time. It is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour and 3.5 hour. Okay, 11:30 minus 8. Yes. Third part. How far is the place of the merchant from the town? Okay, place of merchant is it is 22 and he start from 12. So it is clearly mentioned here, clearly showing here that it is 22 kilometer far from town. Yes. Did the person stop on his way? Just see here we are finding the constant data from 10 to 10:30. Yes, he stopped from 10 to 10:30. Yes, fifth. During which period did he ride fastest? So during which period he ride fastest? Just see here he covering the most distance here 10 to 2 to 10, 1 to 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer he ride the fastest during 1 year. So 1 hour. So when he ride fastest between 8 to 9. Okay, so you can draw a graph with the help of data. You can find out answers with the help of graph. Both you can do. Yes, this is our question number 7. Most probably it is the last question of our exercise. Just see few of the graphs given to you. Now the question is there. Can be a time temperature graph as follows, and you have to justify your answer also. Just see the first one. Temperature is increasing with respect to time. Yes, it can possible. Second, temperature is decreasing with respect to time. Yes, it is possible. Third, temperature is increasing in the same time. No, it is not possible. In a constant time, in the same time, temperature can't increase. Yes, fourth, temperature is constant and the time is increasing. Yes, it is possible. Okay, so this is all related to our exercise. That is exercise 11.1. With the help of this video you can just complete your work. For any query, for any problem you are having related to this particular exercise, you can comment in the comment section. I will try to resolve your issues. Okay, for more updates just like and subscribe my channel so that you can find all the videos which I am updating on the daily basis. Thank you. Take care.